I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. Today I wanted to show you guys a new hobby that I have been trying to get into. Today is going to be actually my first time, but I've been so interested in learning how to do this for a really long time. And now I feel like this is the best time to do it. But before we get into this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also make sure that you hit the notification bar down below so you know when I upload a new video. Okay, so what I'm talking about is diamond painting. And now a lot of you guys are probably seeing those little ads on Instagram. I actually don't even see them anymore. But they were like canvases that you could like get diamonds for, and it brings more of a 3D look to your actual picture. So I purchased this about 2.5, 3 months ago. Yes, I know, you're like, wow, Jamie, that was a long time ago. I know, okay, I know, again, it's just, life has been hectic, as you guys all know. So I figured, why not just do it with you guys now? So I got this off of Amazon. It was $12.99. I didn't know why I picked this one. Well, I mean, I know why. I picked it because gothic look to it. Because, you know, I don't know why. It was calling to me. So, the package comes in a bag like this. This is the painting. It's the canvas. And on the side, it shows you the letters and the colors. And each area of the frame has another letter in the color, so you know exactly what letter that you're doing. In some way, it honestly reminds me of cross stitching. It makes me calm down. It makes me feel relaxed. And I haven't done cross stitching in a really long time, so I'm trying to get into things that just make me feel like myself, where I can get into my own, I guess, little bubble, which technically YouTube does that for me. So this is like my bubble. This right here is my safe space. Like, I really do enjoy doing these videos with you guys, seeing your comments and everything like that. But I've also missed doing cross stitching. So I saw this on Amazon. I was like, oh my God, I gotta do it. Let's buy it. So that's what I did. So it comes with items like the beads in a package like this. So each bag comes with its own number, and then it comes with the actual like beads itself. And then it comes with the actual piece. So you have your pen, you have your tray, and then you have this red wax that you actually stab into the pen to where you can actually like pick up the beads. Again, I am not experienced at this. So I know that there's gonna be people out there who are like, Jamie did that wrong. And I'm totally fine with you guys giving me your feedback if you guys have ever done this, because I have not, but I thought it was really cool and wanted to share it with you guys. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna start with 3C. So I'm gonna start in the corner. Just so you guys know, this right here is sticky. So you want to make sure that you have the protective film on at all times. This is more of a 5D image instead of a 3D image, like I said before. But this is what it's supposed to look like when it's all said and done. So again, it's 3C, which is black. So I'm going to take the black diamonds, which is 3, and I'm just going to use the pen and just start sticking them down. Just do a little at a time. I'm just going to go by the corner and then just work my way down. This isn't something that has to be done in today, but I definitely wanted to see how much I could get done so you guys could see it. Alright, so I have my black diamonds in my tray. I already have the glue on my pen. So, ooh, and there's the first one. Ooh, look at that though. Now, I did notice somebody on YouTube recommended that you do every other one to help try to get as straight lines as possible. So that's what I'm gonna do. Don't worry, I'll keep showing you guys as I go. Alright, you guys, so as I was saying, I'm doing it in more of a checker form, because that's what I found that the pros on YouTube recommended to kind of help make sure everything's even. So I'm just pushing back the film slowly at a time. This is a lot of fun. I will say it's kind of hard to see the letters though, when some of the letters are dark. So you definitely want some really good lighting, you guys. Alright, you guys, so I've done the checker part for the 3C. This is what it looks like so far, so you guys can see it. Again, the only issue that I'm seeing that I'm dealing with is the letters are a little like hard to see because it's a little darker of a color, but other than that, it's working really well. I don't have any complaints. I really like it. As you guys can see, it's really starting to come together. So this is what diamond painting looks like. I'm not going to show you guys the entire thing because this isn't going to be something I can complete in one day. It's just too detailed. But I definitely wanted to show you guys what the diamond painting looks like. So if you guys are interested in it, I would highly recommend it, especially now. I mean, just having some time to yourself is always great, and sometimes we just need a breather from social media and from the news and from all the negative stuff that's happening. So to me, this is my little oasis, just in the kitchen talking to you guys about my diamond painting and Netflixing while I'm watching it or while I'm doing it. So I'll show you guys an end result in the next couple of videos, but I just wanted to show you guys my new hobby, see if you guys have done it before, and which other picture you guys recommend I should try. Alright, you guys, well, overall I would say the diamond painting is actually a lot of fun. It's very time consuming, so if you're just needing something to kind of get into, a little here, a little there, this would be a great option for you guys. It's actually really simple. Roro actually was doing a couple of the diamonds, and then I was like, whoa, I can't take away my own project. So I just wanted to show you guys where I'm at. Probably in another video I'll show you guys once I'm completed this, but it's a lot of fun. Again, it's just time consuming. The only issue that I will say that I don't really like is that the lettering is very small. So I of course had to wear my glasses like the whole time. So this is what it looks like so far. I'm not gonna pull down the film too much, but if you guys can see it, that's what it looks like with the actual diamonds. So I'm like halfway done. So besides the actual main piece, I was doing the outer layer first. This little piece right here that you guys see, these little diamond pieces right here, that took me all day, like 7 hours. Okay, maybe not that long, but I'm being a little dramatic, maybe 4.5, 5 hours. But I really do like how it's coming out. It looks so realistic when you actually see it like up in person. But again, I'll show it to you guys when I'm actually finished with it so you guys can see it a little bit more. And then I'll also link down the description of where I found it. So if you guys are interested, definitely purchase it. Well, that is it. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe to my channel. Also make sure that you hit the notification bar down below so you know when I upload a new video. Please be safe. If you can stay home and know your body, know when you feel like something's wrong. You guys are gonna know before anybody else does. So just please stay safe out there. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
You are